Mo here with Mo Goes Everywhere, and we are back in full-time travel mode. Doing a little bit of rebranding for the channel, introducing some new concepts. Every other Wednesday, I am going to hop on live right here on YouTube and spin this giant prize wheel. As you can see, the prize wheel is labeled with all sorts of countries. All these countries are places that I haven't been yet. These are brand new places for me. And 2 of these spots are labeled chaos. We'll get into that in a bit. What I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna hop on here, spin this wheel. I have 24 hours to start making my way to that destination. That's hopping on a plane, making sure I got flights booked, gotta have my travel stuff arranged, but I have to be on somebody's plane within 24 hours. What I'm gonna need your help with is give me your suggestions for places to add to the prize wheel. I will put the destinations that I have been to down in the comments below. That way you guys can see where I have been. But I need suggestions for new countries to add to this prize wheel. I'm so excited to introduce this. This is gonna make traveling so much fun and easier for me and make it engaging for you guys to participate. Welcome to the Wheel of Chaos. Let's go over a couple concepts that are on here. You pick. That means the viewer picks my destination. Clothes on back. I can only travel with the clothes that I leave with. Hostel. I have to spend the majority of my stay staying in a hostel. $20 a day. Well, you get the point of that one. Luxury. I get 1 day of luxury upgrade, which means I can stay at a resort or somewhere pretty fancy. Backpack only. I can only travel with my backpack. No suitcase allowed. Live like a local. I have to conduct a local activity. Go take a crafting class. Go take a cooking class. Do something that a local would do. Throwback trip. Redoing one of my earlier trips, one of the videos that didn't do so well, but I had fun in the destination. What I'm gonna need from you guys is new suggestions to add to this chaos wheel, as well as the travel wheel. Comment below for things that I can add to this, take away from it, that would make it better. What would you like to see on this wheel? I am looking forward to these new changes, seeing how they work out, fixing them up as we go along. But from the bottom of my heart, I'm definitely grateful for you guys rocking with me. Let's go see this world together.